me just say hey.
All right, now it's live.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, y'all. I'm at my nephew's house. We celebrating Bob Barker's birthday today.
All right. Yeah, what's up, Blossom? What you want to say? Rick? Oh, anybody want to say hi to? Oh, focus camera. All right. So we go to Kate. Y'all, Sharon? Oh. On camera? I ain't gonna put your. All right. All right.
You gotta tell us what happened. Tell us what happened. What happened? Wait, we don't, yeah, come
All right.
on. We about to say
happy birthday.
Yeah.
Y'all can say happy birthday. I'll be on time.
All right.
You can sit right down the steps.
All right. So.
Yeah, we're about to say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Bob Barker.
To Bob Barker today.
All right.
Today is his birthday.
All right.
I came in to support my nephew.
All right.
For Bob Barker.
All right. So anyway.
I wish I could have been on his show.
Oh, you on the show right now?
I'm on the Bob Barker show.
Oh, on Bob Barker. Oh, yeah. All right.
What about you, Ricky?
Man, that's cool. I didn't know it was his birthday.
Look, take my nephew.
Oh,
my nephew
it's video. That's all. All
right.
right. So let's sing. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Bob Barker. Happy birthday to you.
It's your birthday. Bob Barker. It's your birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
I hope I don't look fun, bad.
Oh, you don't look bad.
I don't have no clothes on.
So anyway, you want to do it out and cut the cake?
I'm gonna cut Bob Barker cake today.
Yeah.
Yes,
all right.
Will.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut. Which way you want me to start?
Wherever you want to start.
You want to leave his name on there? Or you want me to start right here?
Oh, you can start wherever you want to start.
Okay. I'm gonna get his cake first. Yeah?
Okay. Well, I don't know what happened, ladies and gentlemen. I guess Blossom don't want to be on camera.
No, she's something going on.
Oh well.
I know she was talking to her friend on the phone, so I just gotta wait to see.
Okay. All right.
All right. You got ice cream?
Oh no.
Okay.
I couldn't afford it right now.
Where his spoon at? That's okay.
Oh.
His fault.
All right.
I'm cutting your piece. I'm cutting your piece.
Oh, yeah. All righty.
Oh,
okay.
that's chocolate chip cake?
Oh, it. Well,
oh, yeah.
Oh, no, not chocolate chip. But anyway, thank y'all for watching, okay?
Thank y'all for watching.
All right.
Love y'all.
All righty.